this video is going to help us define what an exponent is, what it looks like, and what it means, and how we can simplify it. So first of all, what is an exponent? An exponent is this little number that's kind of risen above a bigger number or a base. So this right here is what is called the exponent. Sometimes it's also called a power, so we can kind of use those interchangeably. So you have the exponent or you have a power, and the big number is what is called a base. So we would call this the base. So I have a base of 2 raised to an exponent of 3. And so what this means is that I have the factor 2 or the number 2 or a base of 2 multiplied by itself 3 times. So 2 to the third power, or 2 to an exponent of 3, means 2 times 2 times 2. And then I could type that in my calculator to evaluate it, and that would be 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 again is 8. So 2 to the third power is 8. You want to be careful. Some people think that 2 cubed means 2 times 3, but that is not the case. You want to do 3 factors of 2. So another example of an exponent that we could look at here is 5 squared. So 5 squared, or 5 to the second power, that's not 10. It is the base of 5, so my base of 5 multiplied by itself 2 times. So 5 to the power of 2 means 5 times 5, and I can type that into my calculator, and that means 25. Another number that I could use, or another example could be, let's see, how about 2 to the 5th power? So again, I have the base of 2. So that means I'm going to write my base of 2. The exponent is 5. So I'm going to have 5 factors of 2. So I have 2, 2, 2, 2, and 2. 2, or the base of 2 multiplied by itself 5 times. And when I type that into my calculator, let's see, 2 times 2 is 4, and then times another 4, and then times 2 is going to give me, this is 16 times 2, that is 32. You could also just type in all those 5 factors of 2 and simplify. So your assignment for today is to open up the file in Schoology, open it up into Notability, and it's going to ask you to write out an exponent into all of the factors, so something like this, and then you can use your calculator to find the value in standard form.